Han Meditations. Over 200 meditations. You are here for a reason. Subscribe and see what happens next. Thank you for taking part in this meditation. To start this meditation, please be seated comfortably, preferably in an upright position, with your back not leaning against anything. And close your eyes, starting now. Mystic Rain. Allow this mystic rain to soothe you. Allow this mystic rain to take you outside of your reality and place you amongst gods, amongst divine leaders, in a sacred temple. Just enough shelter to shield you just a little bit from this rain, but you can still feel the rain dropping over you, but it's not overbearing. You're in the rainforest, in the mountains. You are now on sacred land, among sacred beings. Feel their energy and their power amongst you in this rain. Listen to the rain. Let it flow through you. Let it flow amongst you. Each rain droplet is a particle of consciousness. Each droplet of rain is a particle of you, a particle of them, a droplet of love. Feel this droplet of love as it comes down upon the earth, separate, hits the ground, and merges with other versions of itself. See yourself become one of these droplets, literally and metaphorically, coming down onto this earth, an individual, but leaving something greater, something connected, something fulfilled in your essence of love. This droplet, this mystical level of creation. What a mystical being you are. Feel your frequency, your vibration, vibrating, vibrating, vibrating at a higher and higher level until you feel the integration, the oneness of the rain, the oneness in the rain particle, the creation of time, the creation of reality, all existing right here and right now, in the very time that you exist, the very time you are conscious of this existence. It's all a dream. It's all a game in which you control, in which you are favored to win. Listen to the rain. Feel the rain. Become interconnected with this rain, these gods, these divine beings that are amongst mortal men. Become one of these beings. Become divine. Divine in all forms. Divine in all aspects. Listen to the rain. Become divine. Become divine. Become divine. The rain knows you are here. The rain knows you are needed. The rain knows you are supported by existence itself. Because just like you, the rain is supported by existence. The rain is just like you. Become divine. Become divine. Become divine. Because you are greater than you know. Much, much greater. And your greatness, your divinity, your reign has just begun. Shivai.